Hey guys, and welcome towards the scale. In this video, I'll give you my honest opinion on the tool stack for the SEO tools going forward into 2026. And this is one of the most asked questions as of late. Which tools do I choose? Which tools do I need? And I'll try to answer this as best as I can. So this is going to be a very short video for tools categories, niche research, keyword research, backlinks, and copywriting. And I'll just unveil each tile one by one, briefly talking about the tools that I have chosen. Okay, first one is niche research. This one is easy. I recommend GenSpark. Don't need anything besides the $25 per month offer. GenSpark is amazing. The most used mode for me is the deep research, especially coupled with Reddit MCP. I'm using this exclusively for all of my niche research. Some of the keyword research techniques are also based on this, and needless to say that inside of my search gap method, I have created custom GBDs, and they are created inside of GenSpark for the same very reason that GenSpark is using Reddit. Also, a notable mention, multimedia articles that I've made popular are also created using GenSpark. Yes, you can create those using Manus or Ninja Tech or Skywork, but GenSpark produces the best articles, in my honest opinion. So GenSpark covers many facets. It covers keyword research, it covers copywriting to an extent, it covers niche research, and this is a no-brainer. I also use, and this is my personal preference, but I also use AI Slides a lot. I use AI Sheets a lot. I use the Super Agent. I use the AI Image and AI Video modules. So this is a go-to tool. No day passes by without me using GenSpark. Now, if for some reason you don't like GenSpark, you don't want GenSpark, you hate GenSpark, the only other option that I would recommend is Perplexity. You cannot create multimedia articles with Perplexity, although you can create some articles with Perplexity, and I have videos about it. But what I like about Perplexity is that it has its deep research feature, and you can toggle on social, which is basically Reddit. So Perplexity is my next best choice after GenSpark for niche research. I'm still using Perplexity every other day. So this would be either or. If you want to use GenSpark, this is going to cover a lot of different areas. If you don't want that, so use Perplexity. Next up is keyword research. And here, surprisingly, I'm still using GenSpark because a lot of my keyword research methods are based on GenSpark. Search Gap is largely based on using GenSpark. And if you go to my Search Gap methods and go to the free keyword tools, the role-playing keyword, for example, works amazingly well when using GenSpark. This is going to use Reddit as your data source. This is just using AI. With GenSpark, you can use Reddit. For the Search Gap, this is my go-to keyword research method and affiliate program hunting method for newer websites. I don't want to spend too much time on it. Just read the testimonials. Just watch my case studies and you will know. And I still have a massive discount that will lower this price here. Next one is Low Fruits. As you can see, I'm using Low Fruits a lot. I've topped it up in October and November, twice in December. So this is my go-to tool. And I love it because of its filters. So the one that I use a lot is the intent filter, either high intent, pre-purchase or post-purchase. And you are able to target or find transactional intent keywords, and those keywords do not trigger AI overviews as much, and this is the only tool that I know of that can expedite the whole process of finding transactional keywords. Not only that, but if you go to filters, you can filter down to the lowest DA. You can filter down to the exact match as far as the title, so you can easily find those keywords that don't have the keyword being used as a title, which is a massive opportunity. You can get a selection of those keywords with theme content, for example. So the opportunities are massive. And so the best part is that, yes, you can have a subscription, but this is also credit-based, and this is what I'm using. Whenever I run out of credits, I just top up, and I don't have to worry about subscription any longer. Now, for backlinks, this is the biggest gem of 2025, honestly, besides Search Gap. This is the biggest gem. So these guys are amazing. If you go to backlinker.ai and pricing, you see a $300 price tag. For our community, if you follow the link down below, this is going to be $100. I'm getting, this is a brand new account. I've gotten 5 backlinks already. Many of them are DA 60 or 70. There's even a testimonial inside of my school community, which is amazing. So you cannot fake that. Let me bring this up. So this is a video that I did on Backlinker, and this is a review or testimonial that I got 10 hours ago. I have got 5 links so far: DA1, 26, 49, 59, and 73. I will say not bad for $100. My site was DA 0.6. It has moved up to 4.3. I'm continuing for next month as well, and I'm getting amazing results with Backlinker as well, especially when it comes to improving your overall DA, and the backlinks are very high quality. So this is a no-brainer. Now, when it comes to copywriting, you have a few choices. You can use GenSpark if you are intent on creating a few articles a week here and there, and you want them to be multimedia. Just use GenSpark. You don't have to pay extra. If you want to go for high quality, you can use Agility Writer, which is one of my favoritist AI writers. I would honestly go for the 98 per month package, because this will allow you to get roughly 30 articles, because your article with all the top-ups is going to be 3 to 4 credits on average. And this is an amazing tool. And if you use my coupon code, you'll get 15% off, which is the highest discount ever. Now, and this one is interesting. It's been a long time since I've seen a very potent AI writer which has an LTD. I'm talking about WordRocket. I've tested this tool, and the quality is actually very good. You get internal links. This is SEO optimized. You get images. You have HTML blocks that you need to embed separately, but they work. These are multimedia elements. And the best part is that this is a lifetime deal. If you go straight to WordRocket, you have to pay $200. But if you use my link, you only have to pay $150 once. And then from then on, you just need to use your own API, OpenRouter or Gemini. So this is the only LTD that I know of right now of a very high quality AI writer, and you can bulk generate. So this is amazing. So with GenSpark, this is one by one, separate articles, but with WordRocket, this is actually a bulk generation. I will probably record a few reviews about WordRocket, separate videos, but I don't want you to miss out. This is a gem in the making. So to sum up, some of the monthly costs that you need to incur is 20 for GenSpark, 25 for Lowfruits, 100 for Backlinker, 98 for Agility Writer. Some of the one-time costs are $47, and I have a 50% discount until the end of the year for SearchGap. 150 a one-time payment for WordRocket AI. And naturally, this allows you to tier up or down. Tier 1, just buy SearchGap with a 50% discount and have GenSpark as a recurring monthly payment. So this is the only payment that you have to incur month over month. And GenSpark will do everything. It's going to do some keyword research, niche research, copywriting, AI video production, image generation, presentations, sheets, and this is amazing. So you can realistically do SEO with $25 per month. Now for tier 2, and this would be probably my preferred setup, go for SearchGap. It's a one-time, then GenSpark, then $100 for Backlinker. This is the cheapest way I know of attracting high-quality backlinks. I don't know anything cheaper. Yes, you could probably do guest post outreach, but many of those are requiring some kind of payment still, and the time that it takes is just not worth it. With Backlinker, you pay $100 and you get 5 to 7 links every month, and then there's going to be snowball effects, and you'll get more links and more links and more links, and your website's DA is going to shoot up. And if you're on a budget, just go for WordRocket. Pay $150, use my link, and then it's going to cost you anywhere between $10 to $30 per month if you are producing content regularly. So $125 in recurring costs. Finally, if you are serious about SEO or you're an agency, go for tier 3, which is SearchGap, one time. $25 for GenSpark, 20 for Lowfruits, $100 for Backlinker, and 98 for Agility Writer AI, which is around 245 recurring. So these are the 3 tiers. I will have all the links and the coupon codes in the description down below. Hope this helps, and make sure to secure all these deals, especially the SearchGap one. You have a few days till the end of the year. Talk to you soon. Cheers.